What's up, guys? Update. Got the replacement Assthorpe, and that's what I'm going to call them because they're a bunch of asses. Spoke to them directly, and this is the replacement guitar. So come in. The action seemed good, but I'm going to insert a picture right here. Now, what you're looking at is somebody's careless ass mistake, and the guitar should not have been even packaged. Okay, so now what we're looking at is the back of the headstock. What I thought was just a stripped screw turns out, and let's pan over here, there's the screw. So somebody, and this wood is not hard, okay, somebody bent that in a hurry, and then they continued to force it, that the screw rode up and made a channel and then canted that tuning peg like you saw. So what I did here is I took a piece of poplar and painstakingly fit it in the headstock and glued it. And then over here we have the tuning peg, and we'll have to put that back down and then re-drill a hole. Now I have to find a screw like that. So before you even think of buying these things, buyer beware. That's all I gotta say.